Welcome, Dr. Gilmore fans. Today, we're looking at some of his worst nails. As a reminder, if you would like healthy, beautiful nails, check out Cocoa Skin Plus. There's an Amazon link in the description.
Got anesthesia working here because he's not screaming. He also didn't kick me, which I also find that to be a large plus. So we're just going to use a hemostat now. Clamp down onto that. And so we don't spray goop everywhere, we just cover that momentarily. And that comes right out. 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Wow.
How was that? That's a pretty good click. Alright, we made the cut. Now we're going to use a hemostat. We're going to carefully remove part of your toenail, which is literally going to just fall out here. Nice and slow. There it is, a little piece of nail. We're going to put it right there. No, that was your toenail. And then we're going to just check the rest of this out. You've got a little bit of kind of granulated tissue in there, but it looks pretty good. So it looks like it would be really painful, so I'm going to just grab on there. Does that hurt for me to squeeze there a little bit?
No.
And you've not had any drainage from this?
No.
Okay. It does feel warm though, I can tell you that. But over here it's a little sore?
Yes.
Yeah. So you have a cellulitis, okay? And what that is an infection under the skin. I'm sure they treated you correctly. I'm sure they gave you the right medicines. The problem is this is just not well yet, okay? And you're going to run out of prescription antibiotics tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to refill your medicines, but we're going to give you a shot as well. Okay, so we are now going to use the nail lifter.
Oh, yes.
Do you know what this tool does?
Lifts nails, right?
It's very good for an Aggie. Congratulations.
Yeah.
That'll get you a 4.0 on
There
it.
you go, exactly.
Oh, that's fantastic. You know, I really love Aggies.
Oh yeah, Aggies, we take care of each other no matter what. That's what I love about them.
That's the good thing about being in Houston. We have lots of Aggies here, and I'm married to an Aggie. And I did my part of my training, medical residency. I did in a Texas A&M program, so I have a lot of respect for Aggies, and almost all of them are good people. There's a couple of sore heads out there, though.
Yeah, that's unfortunate, but hey.
Yeah, but that's just the way life is. So all I'm doing now is I'm just separating this terribly infected nail from the nail bed, right? And in a moment we're going to remove it with a hemostat, and then we're going to have Miss Donna come in here and put a special dressing on.
All right.
And then after that, I'm going to give you a couple of prescriptions. One's going to be for an antifungal, right?
Okay.
And the other one's going to be some pain pills. And you're not going to need the pain pills unless you don't follow instructions. Full.
Yeah, so the whole nail was full of this heavy, thick, whitish.
That at the nail salon?
Yes, sir.
5 days ago.
Good gravy. That looks like it hurts.
So I had, now that I'm going really near the edge, it's very sensitive. Bless her heart.
And they worked on that for you at the nail salon, didn't they? And they took the nail out already?
I'm not too sure.
I'm not too sure what's going on there. It looks like you've got a jagged edge of the nail.
Would you leave it to the professional next time? That won't be me, be Dr. Gilmore.
Well,
All right, folks, this is Emily, and Emily's been using Cocoa Skin Plus. Emily, you want to give your personal testimonial?
I started taking Cocoa Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
Awesome.
I highly recommend it. I've definitely noticed a difference. It's definitely helped my hair feel better, my skin feel better, and you can pick it up on Amazon.
All right, check out Cocoa Skin Plus on m7amazon.com. Available, and it was designed by Dr. John Gilmore. Thanks.